Hai semuanya, kembali lagi di channel portal edukasi. Pada kesempatan kali ini, kita akan membahas rangkuman materi bahasa Inggris kelas 9 bab 5, yaitu tentang This is how you do it. Materi dalamnya terdapat tentang procedure text. In this chapter, main point of the material is about procedure text. Procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. In this chapter, specifically about recipe, such as reading ingredients and applying the method. The structure of procedure text is goal, material or ingredients, and step. Please look into following example. From the previous image, we know that ingredients needed are 4 green apples, peeled, cored, and thickly sliced. Quarter cup or 45-gram self-raising flour sifted. 60-gram butter or margarine cubed. Half cup or 100-gram custard sugar. 1¼ cups or 300 milliliter water. Can you read it well? If you're confused, hear the explanation. They're stated for green apples. It means we need 4 green apples. They're stated peeled, cored, and thickly sliced. It means we need to peel them, core them, and then slice them thickly. They're also stated quarter. In orally, we said a quarter instead 1/4. Sifted means we need to sift it. So, if you present the ingredient orally, will be different pronunciation than a written text. In conclusion, we need to look carefully on each text because that can be totally different when pronounced it. Full-length sentence example. When we read in a written text, 4 green apples, peeled, cored, and thickly sliced. When we said orally, 4 green apples, peel them, core them, and then slice them thickly. This also applied for the method. What written will be different with orally. Focus on the bold part in the oral section and compare with written text. You will understand. For example, first, place apple in heat-proof dish. Place flour in a bowl. Rub in margarine using fingertips. Then, stir sugar and water. Mixture should be lumpy. Pour over apples. So, in oral will be, first, place the apple in a heat-proof dish. Place the flour in a bowl. Rub in margarine using your fingertips. Then, stir in sugar and water. The mixture should be lumpy. After that, pour over the apples. Nah, ya mungkin untuk kali ini cukup sekian. Terima kasih telah menyimak video pembelajaran hingga selesai ya. Semoga bermanfaat untuk kita semua. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.